We're going to explain how to remove commas from your Excel data. There are several ways to do this, depending on whether the commas are within cells or separating data. 1. Removing commas within cells using find and replace. This is the easiest method for removing commas embedded within text. Open your Excel sheet. Select the cells containing the commas you want to remove. Press Ctrl+H or CMD+H on a Mac to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What field, type a comma. Leave the Replace With field empty. Click Replace All. This will remove all commas from the selected cells. Be careful using this method. It will remove all commas, even if they're part of a necessary value, like in dates or numbers formatted with thousands separators. Double-check your data after running this. 2. Removing commas as thousands separators. If your numbers have commas as thousands separators, e.g. 1,000,000, and you want to remove these commas to perform calculations or use the numbers in other applications, you need a slightly different approach. This isn't removing the comma itself, it's changing the number formatting. Select the cells with the comma-separated numbers. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Go to the Number tab and choose a number format without thousands separators, like Number or General. This removes the visual commas without altering the underlying numerical value. The numbers will now display without the commas. 3. Using text to columns to separate comma-delimited data. If your commas are separating different pieces of data within a single cell, like apple, banana, orange, you'll use the text to columns feature to split the data into separate columns. Select the cells containing the comma-separated data. Go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. Choose Delimited and click Next. Select comma as the delimiter and click Next. Choose the data format for your columns, e.g. general or text, and click Finish. Now your data is in separate columns, and the commas are gone. 4. Using a formula to remove commas, Advanced. For more complex scenarios or large data sets, you can use a formula to remove commas. Let's say your data is in column A. In column B, enter the formula I'll substitute A1, down, and drag it down. This formula replaces all commas in cell A1 with nothing. Column B will now contain the data from column A without commas. You can then copy and paste the values from column B as values, overwriting column A if desired. This provides a clean method without altering original data. Remember to always back up your data before making any significant changes in Excel. Choose the method that best suits your situation based on whether the commas are internal to cells, separating values, or acting as thousands separators. Carefully consider the implications of each method and test it on a small sample of your data first to ensure it works as expected.